Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be comparing GitHub Copilot Agent and Cursor AI to see if which is the best AI coding assistant in 2025. So let's get started by knowing what is GitHub Copilot Agent. So this is backed by GitHub plus OpenAI integration. It also have the deep integration with GitHub repos and pull requests. And it has strong multi-language support like the JavaScript, Python, and etc. So this one is great for inline code suggestions and quick fixes, and ideal for developers already in GitHub ecosystem. So the Cursor AI, this is built as a dedicated AI-powered code editor. So the context-aware multi-file editing and refactoring. So it can also understand and modify entire code bases, and it has the fast iteration cycles for building features. This one is also strong for standalone full project AI coding. So the verdict on this comparison is you can choose Copilot Agent if you want seamless GitHub workflow integration. Now you can also choose Cursor AI if you need a full AI first coding environment for bigger projects. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.